Blending technology has evolved, and smart blenders are now redefining convenience and performance in the kitchen. These high-tech appliances combine powerful motors, intelligent features, and user-friendly designs to deliver seamless blending experiences. From automatic programs to precision controls, we've curated the top 5 best smart blenders that cater to every need, ensuring perfect results every time. Number 1. Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. If you're searching for a powerhouse blender that can handle anything you throw at it, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro is worth your attention. With an impressive 1800 peak watt motor base, this blender is built to conquer the toughest ingredients, from dense ice to fibrous vegetables. One standout feature is Blind Sense, Ninja's intelligent technology that adjusts speed and time automatically for perfectly smooth results. The innovative control dial keeps you informed about the current mode, making it incredibly user-friendly even for beginners. 72 ounces a full-size pitcher is perfect for creating large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for family gatherings or parties. Paired with the total crushing and chopping blade assembly, you'll enjoy evenly crushed ice and finely chopped veggies every time. For added convenience, the blender includes two 24 ounces single-serve cups with spout lids, letting you whip up personalized drinks and take them on the go. Plus, the Liquid Detect feature ensures you achieve the right consistency, particularly in the single-serve cups. The blender's versatility shines with its variable speed settings, 10 to choose from for precise control in the full-size pitcher. For a hassle-free experience, the single-touch preset programs simplify tasks like chopping salsa or pureeing soups. Cleaning up is a breeze since all containers, lids, and blades are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher-safe. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro combines cutting-edge features and practical design, making it a must-have for smoothie enthusiasts, meal preppers, and anyone looking to elevate their blending game. Whether you need a quick breakfast shake or a family-sized batch of frozen cocktails, this blender delivers power, precision, and convenience. Number 2. Prasky Professional Smart Blender. The Prasky Professional Smart Blender is a powerhouse designed for both home kitchens and professional settings, offering unmatched versatility and performance. With a robust 3.0 horsepower motor reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM, it effortlessly tackles tough ingredients like ice, vegetables, and fruits, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, and more. The enhanced 6-leaf sharp blade ensures superior blending performance with minimal effort. Featuring a 68-ounce BPA-free container, this blender can hold up to 9 cups of liquid, perfect for family meals or batch preparation. It also doubles as two 34-ounce on-the-go cups, making it a convenient choice for outdoor activities and busy lifestyles. Whether you're preparing meals at home or serving at a cafe or restaurant, this blender is built to handle it all. Equipped with a variable speed switch and a pulse function, the Prasky blender provides precise control over texture, allowing you to customize everything from smooth purees to chunky salsas. Its multifunctionality replaces up to 6 appliances, enabling you to crush, blend, chop, grind, puree, or liquefy with ease. From frozen desserts and soups to nut butters and sauces, the possibilities are endless. Cleaning is effortless, simply add dish soap and warm water, and the blender cleans itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. The square jar, grinder, and tamper are dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Whether for personal use or commercial demands, the Prasky Professional Smart Blender delivers power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent investment for any kitchen. Number 3. Vitamix Ascent X for Blender. The Vitamix Ascent X for Blender is a premium choice for blending enthusiasts who value performance, durability, and innovation. Backed by a 10-year full warranty, this blender promises years of reliable use, whether you're preparing drinks, snacks, or full meals. With 5 blending programs, it offers consistent and hassle-free results, while the self-cleaning program makes cleanup as simple as adding water and dish soap. The 48-ounce container is perfect for low to mid-size blends, ideal for for servings, and its flexibility makes it a go-to for various recipes. The Ascent X4 puts you in complete control with variable speed control, a pulse function, and a digital timer that ensures precise textures for manually processed recipes. The innovative 15-second add-on button allows you to extend blending time effortlessly when needed. Customize your blending experience with self-detect compatible containers and attachments, which expand its versatility. Practical features like the tamper holder and an on-screen tamper indicator streamline blending thicker mixtures. A thoughtfully included recipe book offers 30+ culinary inspirations, showcasing the blender's full potential. The Vitamix Ascent X combines power, flexibility, and user-friendly features, making it a standout appliance for home chefs and professionals alike. Number 4. Aeitto Professional Countertop Blender. The Aeitto Professional Countertop Blender is a versatile and powerful appliance designed to make blending tasks effortless. Equipped with 3 preset functions, ice crush, smoothie, and juice, this blender automates your blending process with precision. Additionally, its 7-speed settings provide the flexibility to create a wide range of food textures, from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. At its core is an 1800-watt industrial-grade motor, capable of reaching a peak speed of 25,000 RPM. This high-performance motor ensures less heat and no odor during operation, delivering the smoothest and most flavorful results. Paired with upgraded 8-point blades, the blender effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds, maximizing nutrient and vitamin extraction for healthier meals and beverages. The 68-ounce large-capacity jar makes the Aeitto blender ideal for large families or commercial use, accommodating up to 6 servings at once. Whether you're making smoothies for breakfast, frozen treats for a party, or soups for dinner, this blender rises to the occasion. Cleaning is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe jar. Alternatively, a quick rinse with water and a stir ensures the blender is ready for its next use. Combining powerful performance, ease of use, and durability, the Aeitto Professional Countertop Blender is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, high-capacity appliance for their kitchen. Whether for personal or professional use, it delivers consistent, nutrient-rich results with every blend. Number 5. nutribullet SmartSense Blender. The nutribullet SmartSense Blender is a versatile and powerful blending system designed for a variety of needs. It features a 1400-watt motor base and includes multiple blending options, from the large 64-ounce blender pitcher to the convenient 24 ounces and 32-ounce single-serve cups, catering to both family-sized portions and on-the-go servings. Its smart auto cycle stands out by sensing ingredient loads and automatically adjusting speed, time, and function to ensure perfectly smooth results. With 5 precision speed levels, this blender handles everything from delicate nut flours to creamy, fully emulsified nut milks, no straining required. The intuitive interface includes simple buttons and a dot matrix display, making it easy to set and time your blends. For safety, the blender automatically shuts off after 60 seconds when using the single-serve cup and limits consecutive blending to prevent overheating. Cleaning is straightforward with dishwasher-safe components, including the pitcher lid, and single-serve cups. The extractor blades and to-go lids are top-rack dishwasher-safe, while the tamper requires hand-washing. The package includes everything you need: a 64-ounce pitcher with pour spout, deluxe extractor blade, single-serve cups with lids, a tamper, a recipe book, and a user guide. With a 1-year limited warranty and compatibility with North American and Canadian electrical standards, the blender offers peace of mind. Whether you're blending smoothies, nut milks, or soups, the nutribullet SmartSense Blender combines power, finesse, and smart technology for a seamless blending experience.